In this video, I want to show that how do we use ChemRICH app for your metabolomics dataset. To reach ChemRICH, you need to type chemrich.us in the web browser, and it will be redirected to chemrich.finlab.ucdavis.edu. This is where the ChemRICH app is hosted. It's a simple website with only one input box. You paste your data and you click calculate ChemRICH, and it will generate the plots, tables, PowerPoint, and interactive tables, interactive plots. And so what is the input format? You can download this example data file here, and this will give you idea that how you need to format your data. So example data file looks like this, that we have a column compound name, which is first column, then inch keys, PubChem ID, smiles code, p-value, and fold change. So if you format your data in this format, then you select all the data and you copy and you paste them in this box, and you click calculate ChemRICH. Since it's doing a lot of computation in background, it takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute for around 400 compounds. You might be wondering from where I can get these identifiers. So I will show in the next video that how do we get these PubChem IDs or smiles code for your metabolite names or KEG IDs. So it's done, and when it's done, it shows the impact plot. And here, instead of viewing clustering tree order, we have median x log p of cluster, which is lipophilicity, and it explains a little bit what the plot is and what kind of statistics we have used. And so if you download the PowerPoint, it's a PowerPoint, it's completely editable. You can edit the text, and you can move around the labels according to your paper requirement. And if you look at the Excel sheet, it has cluster names, cluster size, p-value, FDR. We also give some idea about what might be in the cluster. So we select a key compound, then it has altered metabolite counts, increase and decrease, and the ratio of those. And on the second sheet, we basically put the input data, but we provide cluster number, x log p, and cluster label information, and we put a FDR for the compound level p-value. You can also access the interactive cluster plot, where if you want to look at what's inside each cluster. So for example, this is unsaturated phosphocholines, so we can see that what they are, and these are saturated one, and these are branch chain amino acids, and these are butyric acids. We have pentosase and hexosase and indoles, and these are homies and sphingomyelins. You can also look at interactive compound plots, where it's taking a little longer to refresh it. Yeah. So here, if you mouse over a compound, then you can see the information about that it was down, or how many fold change, and what was the negative p-value for it. Several times you may not find class annotation for a compound, so it's useful to look at this interactive plot to see where the compound is on the x log p axis. You can zoom in and scroll through these compound names to figure out what they are. An interactive table, if you're specifically looking for a compound, that where it is, you can look for a compound and it will give you the values for that compound. Same here, that if you're looking for a specific compound class, it will give you the compound class and show you the result for that compound class. So overall, it's a useful, easy to use web app for performing enrichment analysis for your metabolomics dataset.